Water supply system in plumbing, complete basics. Hello everyone. Welcome to Global MEP Academy. In today's video, we are going to understand the water supply system in plumbing. Water supply is one of the most important parts of a plumbing system. It provides clean and safe water to different fixtures and equipment inside a building. So, let's get started. What is a water supply system? A water supply system is a network of pipes, valves, pumps, tanks, and fittings used to transport water from the main source to different points of use. These points can include wash basins, toilets, showers, kitchen sinks, water heaters, drinking water points, other plumbing fixtures. Main components of a water supply system. Let's understand the major components one by one. 1. Water source. First, we need a source of water. Water can come from a municipal water supply, borewell, water treatment plant, or another approved source. 2. Underground water tank. In many buildings, incoming water is stored in an underground water tank. This tank provides water storage and helps maintain a continuous water supply. 3. Transfer pump. A transfer pump is used to move water from the underground tank to the overhead tank or directly to the building's distribution system. 4. Overhead water tank. The overhead tank stores water at a higher level. Gravity can then help distribute water to different floors. In some modern buildings, booster pump systems are used instead of traditional gravity-based distribution. 5. Water supply pipes. Water is distributed through a network of pipes. Common materials include CPVC, PPR, HDPE, copper, GI, stainless steel. The selection of pipe material depends on the project specifications, water temperature, pressure, application, and local standards. 6. Valves. Valves are very important in a water supply system. They are used to control, isolate, and regulate water flow. Common valves include gate valve, ball valve, butterfly valve, check valve, pressure reducing valve. 7. Pressure reducing valve. A pressure reducing valve, or PRV, is used where water pressure needs to be controlled. This is especially important in high-rise buildings where pressure can become too high on lower floors. 8. Plumbing fixtures. Finally, water reaches the fixtures where it is required. For example, wash basin, shower, kitchen sink, water closet, and other water outlets. Hot and cold water supply. A building may have both cold water and hot water supply systems. Cold water is supplied directly to fixtures such as wash basins and toilets. Hot water is generally supplied to showers, wash basins, kitchens, and other required points through a water heater or central hot water system. Water supply in high-rise buildings. In high-rise buildings, water pressure and zoning are very important. The building may be divided into different pressure zones. Booster pumps, pressure-reducing valves, storage tanks, and pressure vessels can be used depending on the design. The objective is to provide the required flow and pressure at every fixture. Important design considerations. While designing a water supply system, engineers consider water demand, pipe size, flow rate, water pressure, building height, pipe material, pump capacity, storage capacity, fixture requirements, local plumbing codes and standards. Correct pipe sizing is very important because an undersized pipe can cause low water pressure, while an oversized system can increase installation and operating costs. Conclusion. So, this is the basic concept of a water supply system in plumbing, from the water source to the storage tank, pumps, distribution pipes, valves, and finally the plumbing fixtures. Every component has an important role. If you want to learn more about plumbing, HVAC, firefighting, and complete MEP systems, subscribe to Global MEP Academy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.